Ahoy, this is Zdenka. Check out these shots. All of it was filmed with Neewer DL400 Electric motorized video dolly that can be used with smartphone, mirrorless camera, and also an action camera. This is a first look at this fun filming tool. This video is brought to you by Neewer. The base weighs 100.7 kilograms. The weight helps to stabilize the footage. You can load on it 3 kilograms. The wheels are soft rubber. It comes with 3 camera attachments and NPF series battery Type-C. There are 2 ways you can use it, manually or with an app. Let me show you the manual option first. There is a power button. This one enables movement to the right, this one to the left, and the last one is for changing speeds. It has 5 speeds. Below is LED light, power input is next, and 2.5mm shutter jack for connecting your camera. Dolly can go straight forward or backwards. If you mount the camera this way, you can go to the right or left. You can also make it turn. It's got this elbow in the middle where you can precisely select the angle. Let me show you a few shots with different speeds. I must admit that I'm impressed with how smooth the shots look. Here are some additional shots with the Insta360 Ace Pro action camera. The dolly can be used on a variety of surfaces such as table, indoor floors, outdoors, on the ground. There are no limits. If you want to film shots where you push the dolly by your hand without a battery, that is possible as well. Let's check out the Neewer app where you can do much more. Once you connect Dolly to the app, you will access 4 pages. The first one is manual, the second A/B points, then there is live video and time-lapse. Manual page lets you change running speed and select running mode. The choices are constant and slow. Let's see the difference between those 2 modes. Let's try speed 3 and constant mode first. And here is a shot with slow mode, the same speed 3. Let's take a look at A/B page. Running speed control is here, running mode, and A/B points that let you program specific starting and ending position. You can enable a loop for dolly to move between those points back and forth. Let's go to the next page, which is live video. Here you can control the distance, running mode, and running time. When it comes to distance, you can select between 66 centimeters and 999 centimeters. The maximum running time you can choose is 3 hours. I also noticed that when you select, for example, 66 centimeters distance, it will automatically show 12 seconds minimum running time. If I select 88 centimeters, it will change to 14 seconds. You can also save these settings for next time, which is great. Let's just do 66 centimeters at 12 seconds and see the shot. Let's enter the last page, which is time-lapse. Here you can select a running distance. It's again between 66 and 999 centimeters. Shutter speed lets you choose between setting your camera in manual mode. It tells you to select shutter speed less than 1 second. Please note you need to use your shutter cable depending on the camera model you have. Or you can select bulb mode, where you set the setting interval between 2 seconds and 1 hour. Frame by frame duration setting is next. Number of shots, and you can also enable fixed point shoot. Shooting time is displayed below. Let's say I want 8 seconds time lapse. I'll select 50 shots. The shooting time will be 6 minutes and 33 seconds. You can also save these settings. I like this tool mainly for those really low angle shots where there are different tools for different purposes. I'm sure there are some people out there that could use such tool. I'm going to link it below for those interested. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative, and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you in one of those next. Ciao, ahoj.